In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Notion page. Whether you're organizing your personal projects, managing a team, or simply want to create a template from an existing page, knowing how to duplicate a Notion page can save you time and help maintain consistency across your workspace. Let's get started by opening the Notion page you want to duplicate. This could be anything from a simple task list to a more complex project dashboard. Having the page already open ensures you're duplicating the correct content, so check the title at the top to confirm. Now, once your desired page is open, take a look at the top right corner. You'll notice a series of icons there, but the one we're interested in looks like 3 dots in a vertical line. This is commonly referred to as the More or Options menu. Go ahead and click on it. This menu contains additional actions you can perform on your page, revealing options that aren't immediately visible on the page surface. After you've clicked the 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear. Here you'll see several options like Export, Customize, and the one we want, Duplicate. Click on Duplicate. This action will initiate the duplication process for your page. What happens next is that a copy of your page will be made at the exact same location as the original, with "We Copy" appended to the title to distinguish it from the original. Once duplication is complete, you'll find your duplicated page appearing in the sidebar, directly beneath or near the original page, depending on your workspace structure. This new copy includes all the content, layout, and details of the original page, making it easy for you to make edits without altering the source material. One of the great benefits of duplicating a page in Notion is that it allows you to maintain the same formatting and content structure, which is especially useful if you frequently use a specific layout or setup. You can use this feature to create templates for recurring tasks or projects, making your workflow more efficient. A quick tip. Now that you have a copied page, you can rename it to reflect its new purpose. Simply click on the title, delete copy, and type in the new name you prefer. This step is useful for maintaining clarity in your workspace, especially if you plan to duplicate pages frequently. Duplicating pages is a powerful yet simple feature in Notion that can facilitate better organization and consistency in your digital environment. It's perfect for educators developing coursework, project managers outlining new initiatives, or anyone looking to streamline their productivity. Thank you for joining me today to learn how to duplicate a Notion page. I hope this tutorial helps you optimize your Notion usage and enhances your ability to manage tasks and projects effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Happy organizing!